Can you see yourself in the 2022 Nissan Altima? Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.